At Škoda Auto, design is not just about aesthetics. While creating cars, we always think about our customers. Our modern solid design language is all about this. Solid, functional, authentic. 3 key values. Right now, we cannot show you all the highlights, but we will share with you some details of the final Elroq design.
The all-new Škoda Elroq is our first electric compact SUV showing the modern solid design language.
With modern solid, every curve, every line serves a purpose. It's simple and it's functional. The modern solid combines a distinctive, rugged look with a spacey interior.
It has a very characterful face here with the Škoda wordmark and the Škoda deck face. The body side shows a streamlined roofline, a bold body, and on the back razor-sharp rear lamps and a very robust diffuser element.
Innovation is at the heart of everything we're doing at Škoda. With our Elroq and our modern solid design language, we are setting new standards for electric mobility. So stay tuned for our world premiere in October.
Škoda.